Hey guys, Chris here with Dot Product for another Dot3D scanning session. In today's session, we're going to be testing out the new Zebra ET85 rugged tablet PC. This Intel i7 Windows tablet is super powerful and awesome for everything from your police cruiser to the construction site, and it also works really well as a handheld 3D scanning kit, so long as you pair it with the right hardware and software, in this case being an Intel RealSense Depth Camera D455F, and the latest Dot3D Pro software installed and activated on Windows. So let's go ahead and take this outside and do a test scan on a sample crime scene here today.
So as you can see from this demo and the resulting data, we're really happy with this package. The combination of rugged Windows tablet PC from Zebra, outdoor capable wide field of view, color depth camera from Intel, and the latest Dot3D Pro software makes for a very powerful complete package for Windows users looking to capture handheld 3D data of spaces and scenes. Please visit the following links for more information on each of these components.